How to use Google Calendar to stay organized. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Google Calendar and how you can use it to keep yourself organized. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm over here on Google Calendar. Now there are a couple of ways to do this. The easiest one is you can go ahead and create a separate calendar for your daily tasks for your need, right? So if it's work related calendar, you can create one for your work related. If it's task, you can create one for tasks. For specific events and birthdays or whatever, you can create different calendar for that. So right now I only have a couple of those calendars and I'll show you how you can create them. So here you can see other calendars, right? So if you click on other calendars, you can click on that one and you can create a new calendar by clicking on the create new calendar button. Here you can name the calendar, add the description, the time zone, and then create it. You can even go ahead and share this calendar with your team members, with your friends, family members, whoever it is that you want to keep an eye to be part of that calendar. So if it's work related, of course you can create a team one over here. As you can see, I already created one, and here down below you can see we have access and permissions. Here you can go ahead and share it. You have the share with button over here. You can share this calendar with a bunch of people over here. You can just click on add people and groups. You can add them over here by adding their email address, and boom, they'll be able to see the calendar. And then you can give them permissions and certain access to the calendar so they can go ahead and also add a few things too. Another cool thing Google has done is that they have incorporated two of their most underrated tools with Google Calendar as well, like Google Tasks and Keep Notes. So here on the right hand side, you can see you have all these different options as well. Keep Notes, open them up, you'll have all of your notes available over here. You can use this to create tasks, keep a list of notes so that you don't mess up. You can even open them up over there. It'll be automatically synced as well. You have another cool tool called Tasks. Here you can add specific tasks for work related, for personal, whatever I said, and here you can go ahead and create different lists for those specific tasks. For example, if I wanted to create a new list for work related stuff, I'll click on create new list, and this will be the name of my work. So I'll just type in work, whatever I want. You can create whatever you want, and then here you can add the list by just creating the title, meetings. You can create meetings within those tasks or within that list. You can have approvals, you have team meeting, you have weekly meeting, a bunch of stuff. Like you understand what I'm telling you. You can create them, and you can even set specific dates for those events as well, for those tasks. And since it's already connected with Google Calendar, those tasks will appear over here. So for example, I'll just type in meeting with Alex, right? And today, it's today, of course, and we can even set time as well, but we'll click on, let's go ahead and set the time. We'll say it's around 10:30 p.m. Click on done. Boom, we now have a task. And here within 10:30 p.m., it should pop up over here as well. Maybe it's in the other calendar. There we go. You can see right here, we have a meeting right here within the tasks. So there you go. Pretty cool, right? That's how you can do it. That's how you can use these tools to keep yourself organized. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.